Hey guys, today we have a $40 lucky bag from SquishyShop.com. We've never gotten one of these before, so we're really excited to see what's inside. So first we'll start with this Rilakkuma loaf of bread that we ordered. So this is not part of the lucky bag, but I just thought it was super cute. And the packaging looks like it's actually like a little, maybe half loaf of bread. Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
And it even has like a little twist tie here. So you can open it up.
Just like real bread.
Just like real bread. So here it is on the package. It's got a cute little bear face. Oh my goodness. It's soft, but that's like really fast rising. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I've never seen such a, like, it's not dense, it's pretty like soft, but it just like pops back up, like amazing. And it's got like a really faint light bread smell, which is nice. It's not overpowering at all. Want to smell? So I'm actually really happy with this one. And before we get into the bag, here's a quick look at the extra they gave us. It's just like a blue polka dotted mini ice cream cone. And it kind of smells like coconut. So now we're going to take turns grabbing one thing out of the bag and let's see what we get.
I got the super cute planet Meow.
Oh my gosh, it's like a cat in a spaceship.
Wow, so squishy.
Actually, Big Sis just told me this is not a spaceship, but it's actually a planet, and these are the rings. That is so funny. And on the back it says, "Do not eat. This is not a toy. Designed by Fua Life. Meet Planet Meow, the cutest planet you'll find in the whole solar system."
So as you can see, this is Planet Meow, and it's super squishy. It's also very slow rising too.
It's almost like a purple pancake.
Yeah. And I really like the stripes here.
The face is really cute too.
Yeah.
Is it scented?
I don't know, but it kind of smells nice.
Mm-hmm. It has that coconut kind of scent.
Yeah.
That was a great first squishy. Let's see what we've got now.
Ooh, what is this?
Oh, it's one of those chicken and the egg. Can you turn it around? Turn it this way. It says, soft, squishy egg with removable plush heads.
Oh,
You can change our hats. They're called Clucky Pals. So it says it's from Cutie Creative, which is the same as SquishyShop.com. And there's just some warning stuff on the back, and it's designed and produced by Cutie Creative.
Here's a chicken and a little squishy egg.
There's a squishy egg. Oh, and it comes out, right?
Yep. And it's a twat in the back. And what?
I like how it's kind of like, it's kind of got the sheen on it.
Yeah, I like that.
It's really squishy. His face is a little bit dented, but it's cute. And it's cute how you can squeeze it into the little
chicken. Bad.
What?
Bad.
Let me see the face. It's so funny. Okay, here's the next one. Oh my gosh! It's like a Christmas one. Boo
Christmas?
Boo the Cloud.
Christmas cloud. It almost looks like a snowman.
Yeah, it's a snowman with the earmuffs. It says Boo Boo the Cloud. And it's a product from Momo Cuppy Squishy. Oh, this is so cute. I love cloud squishies. So here is the Holiday Boo Boo the Cloud. Out of the packaging, it's got like holly up here, earmuffs. It's got like the little Rudolph nose and
A scarf.
a scarf. And it's really, really squishy and soft.
But Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer
Mm-hmm.
had a really shiny nose.
I like this one. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I really like cloud squishies.
Okay, next one.
Ooh! We have another Dear Christmas.
Oh my gosh! That's awesome. So this one is super cute. We actually just bought this in a different squishy order, but that's awesome because we can use it in a future giveaway. This is the girl, Dear Gelato, and these are the mini versions, so they're a little bit smaller. And they're made from Pea Sweet Squishy. And it's super cute. We'll show you the one that's ours out of the bag.
So this is the other Dear Gelato we got. And he's super squishy. And we really love the heart for her cheeks. So there's also a donut for a skirt, which I really like.
And this one smells really good too, doesn't it?
Yeah. It smells pretty good. But I don't really know what it smells like.
And I just like that it's really cute and it's actually pretty compact if you're not looking for like a giant squishy. It's a mini one. Okay, next one.
Ooh, I have this little heart.
Oh, cool. I think this is
Oh.
also from Cutie Creative. It's kind of like those candy hearts, but it's a little bun.
Aw.
And it says, hug me.
Ooh, look at that. Like those little things.
Mm-hmm. There you go. So here is the tag. It says, lovely sweet bun squishy. And it says, super soft and cute, pastel colored squishy buns with sweet messages by Cutie Creative.
Aww.
Here it is out of the package.
Super squishy.
I
Wow.
like this one. The bun ones are really fun to squish because they're so soft. And yeah, it's not scented or it just has kind of like that coconutty kind of smell. Okay, my turn. Oh, another little one. Oh my goodness. It's a devil tooth.
It looks made. I think it has 2 tooths.
Mm-hmm. Got little
Oh.
fangs.
It's so cute. Higher.
So it says this super popular Cutie Creative tooth squishy, now in mini size, super soft squishy and slow rising quality. Do you prefer angel or devil by Cutie Creative? Kind of wish we got the angel, but the devil one's kind of cute. What do you guys think?
Aww.
And we're going to keep that one in the packaging because it doesn't come with resealable packaging. Next one.
This is another small one.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's a super cute croissant.
This one is from Uncle Nick's ND Bakery. So it looks like a...
So realistic.
It looks super realistic.
It's not very squishy though.
No? Oh yeah, it's really, really dense. Okay, let's take it out of the packaging. So here it is. And yeah, it's not It's really, really dense. It's not squishy at all, but
It's so realistic.
it's very realistic. It looks great. Like, it's so detailed. And I have a feeling maybe this is one of the, like, older squishies that maybe weren't as squishy. But I really like it.
I want to eat it.
Yeah. Makes me hungry.
But I kind of think a real croissant's a little bit more squishy.
Maybe. Okay, last one.
It's a lot of splinter strawberry.
Oh my goodness, it's really tiny. This is Cafe de N. It looks like a very older one. It says Cafe de N fake mascot. Not sure what that means. It's got the little acrylic tag. And it's really squishy. Well, not really squishy, it's a little squishy. It's really cute, but I don't really love squishies with sprinkles on them. Do you know why?
Yeah, because they keep coming off.
Yeah, they fall off really easily, so I don't really love squishies with sprinkles on them, but it is cute.
And they're kind of hard to squish.
So that's it for our $40 lucky bag. What'd you guys think?
It's really nice.
Yeah, there's lots of cute ones in here. I was kind of hoping to get maybe a bigger one. We seem like we got a lot of tiny ones, but they're really cute. What is your favorite?
My favorite is the Planet Meow. Me too. Tell us in the comments which one is your favorite. Since you're watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and click on that notification bell.
Bye!
Bye.